Hello, welcome to the Met Office weekend forecast. The strong winds wrought by Storm Caroline slowly ease this weekend, but as she pulls away, she plunges us all back into the freezer. A cold weekend for everyone beckons, and with those winds coming from the Arctic, some areas are at risk of significant snow, but not everyone. The snow will be very variable place to place, street to street. For example, Friday and Saturday, the snow comes in the form of showers. Just about anyone across the country could see a flake of snow, but a yellow warning's in force for northern western parts of Britain because it's here where we'll see the highest risk of disruptive snow. Now, at lower levels, very variable amounts of snowfall, but it is possible that 2 to 5 centimetres could build up in these locations. And over the hills of the north, well, 10 to 20 centimetres is possible. And these amounts of snowfall can cause disruption in this country, particularly during busy periods of time. For example, the Friday rush hour. And one place in particular, Northwest Midlands motorways here, could be impacted by frequent snow showers blowing in from the Irish Sea. And we'll also see further snow showers affecting Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales and western parts of England through Friday night. Where the snow showers come and go, there's also an additional hazard of ice. Some slippery surfaces first thing Saturday, following a widespread frost. These are your typical temperatures as we begin the weekend. Bitterly cold, much colder than that where we do have some lying snow. But of course, as we start the weekend, not everyone will have lying snow. What everyone will have is the deep cold air across the country. Follow the isobars back all the way from the Arctic. We're pulling in these deep blues, cold enough for snow just about anywhere up and down the country during Saturday. But it won't snow just about anywhere because by Saturday, the winds and the snow will slowly start easing. Still a blustery day down these North Sea coasts. Some rough seas possible for North Sea coasts and further wintry flurries for northern Scotland, perhaps 1 or 2 flakes of snow elsewhere. But for many, Saturday afternoon ends up being sunny and bright. A nice day, actually, if you do just want to get out there and enjoy any lying snow. If you see it, we don't often get it in this country, of course. So a real novelty this weekend for some places. But it's going to be a cold Saturday because temperatures in some places won't rise above freezing if you do have lying snow. And add the wind chill, well, feeling pretty bracing. Now, through Saturday night, a ridge of high pressure builds in, helping to kill off any remaining snow showers and clearing the skies for many places, leading to a widespread frost. But this weather front coming in from the west will bring a slice of milder air and some rainfall. Now, interesting things happen when we see this setup in our country because we've got such deep cold air sat over us as we begin Sunday. These are the kinds of temperatures Sunday morning over snow-covered mountains below -10. When the slice of mild air comes in and it's rainfall, well, it can turn to significant snowfall. It's likely to be rain across South Wales and southwest England, but as it bumps into that deep cold air, well, we're at risk of seeing further significant snowfall. Big uncertainties because of the complexities of this kind of weather situation in terms of the location and the extent of any significant snowfall on Saturday. But it looks likely that in this sort of area where we have a yellow warning in force, we will see some disruptive snowfall. It's unlikely to be as wide as this area, the extent of any disruptive snow likely to be much narrower, but this is the area at risk at the moment. And it looks like this area could see 2 to 5 centimetres at lower levels, 10 centimetres or more over any mountains, North Wales, Pennines, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. To the south, we keep the mild air, and it's going to be a wet morning followed by a brighter afternoon. 11 degrees there in Plymouth. Much colder in the north, but staying dry. But it's within this zone here where we could see some significant snowfall. Big uncertainties. We'll firm up on the details over the next couple of days, so keep checking back to find the latest forecast or weather warnings on our Met Office website, through the app, and follow us through our social media channels.